Day 2. We're currently in a flea market. It looks very cool, cool vibes. For everyone who's wondering how I'm doing in Germany, I'm thriving. Today is a day of eating. My girl.
Gotta get the shot.
It's my girl right here. We are stopping for a little break. I got so bulgogi. Apparently this is vegan.
What?
I don't know. That's what he said.
Maybe I would have gotten that too.
She got a Polish?
Pierogies.
Pierogies.
Cheese and potato, horseradish and beet and something goat cheese.
And I got Korean. We're gonna try this. My current addiction with Korean food. I
didn't know that was vegan.
This is a bad angle. Bad angle, but it's okay, guys. It's all about the food. She also put something very spicy in it, so that's what happens. Cheers.
Good.
Yummy.
Tastes like meat.
Tastes like meat. Maybe it's not vegan. Eileen found a boba place called Pt.2. I got passion fruit tea with boba that potentially might pop. We're gonna find out. This is what I usually drink in America, so.
Definitely pops.
Definitely popping. I messed up. I hate popping boba.
In boba, that's weird. I'm like screaming to it.
The tea itself is pretty good. The popping boba is weird. There you go. No. I didn't understand him. He's like, you want boba shake? What kind of boba you want? He's like, you just want regular boba. It's okay. It was good. Good job. Good job. TBD. How's your ice cream? It's melting away.
It's like regular Menchie's something.
Oh.
It's alright.
There it is, guys. We're on our way to go to a bolt tour, but we're taking a pit stop. Be careful! Be careful! Ooh. Eileen literally just asked, how do we get a boat tour? And we just got on a boat.
Like to take US dollars.
We are on a cruise, guys. A don't know what city cruise we're on. Can't pronounce it, but we randomly got on a boat and we're doing a city tour. Always finding ourselves in the most randomest places ever.
Everybody!
Go, Eileen. The time has already come, but today was very successful. We got back to the hotel probably like an hour or so ago. I just rinsed off and cleaned off a bit so I can be nice and fresh for dinner. And then we're gonna go have our last dinner here. It's so crazy how fast this weekend has gone. But yeah, it was great and today was so much fun. But yeah, I'm ready to get home. I have this gnarly blister on my foot. I'm not gonna show you the blister itself, but it's here. I have a band-aid on it right now. I put on some sandals just so my feet can air out because I've been wearing sneakers this entire trip. So that's that. Anyways, we're gonna go have dinner. I will bring you guys along. It is like a Thai, Korean, American, German mix. I think. I don't even really know. I just kind of found it on Google and it had tons of reviews. So we're gonna go have some dinner. I'll bring you along and then I'm gonna start packing and I'll say goodbye then. Let's do this. Bye. See you there. Can I say it's Vietnamese? Our last meal together. Our last meal. We're at Momo Taro Tavern. And it's our last meal. We're having Vietnamese again. It is delicious. They also have sriracha sauce. Bless up Germany. Cheers.